Let me show the food now. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot, 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 hot. It's Halloween, y'all. Hey, y'all. What y'all doing for Halloween? Hey, hey, hey. And it's Tuesday afternoon. I never go live around this time, so no one probably come on. But let's see. Let me get my orange juice. Some orange juice. I'm not start eating because my food won't get cold. Yeah, Tuesday afternoon. I used to go live at night, the evening. And these are the syrups that I have. I mixed both of these and I heated them up. Fork. Hey, y'all. Hey, Lady Diane. That's my mom's name. So I'm eating pancakes, bacon, and sausage, and scrambled eggs with cheese. I have some orange juice. Hey, Linda Davis. Willow. Hey, Autumn girl. Hey, everyone. And I got some Aunt Your Mama and Miss Butterworth. I know it's Tuesday afternoon. It's Halloween. Happy Halloween, y'all. Y'all got kids? Your kids dressing up? Or are they going trick-or-treating? This is my syrup. I heated it up. And I have my eggs separate because I don't like syrup on my eggs. I think it's childish. When I was younger, I used to like it. But as an adult, I do not like syrup on my eggs. So I put it on a separate plate. So this is the pancakes, bacon, and sausage. Cheese eggs. Scrambled cheese eggs. What y'all doing for Halloween? Y'all dressing up? Or did y'all do anything this weekend? As y'all know, I'm from Philly. I live in Philly. But I just came back from North Carolina. I went Saturday night until Monday morning. I went to go see one of my favorite YouTubers, Percy P. We had so much fun. It was for my friend April's birthday. But we had a blast, y'all. So that was our Halloween weekend. What did y'all do? Or what are y'all doing? Anybody had to work today? Today is my day off. That's good. I need more syrup though. I got some bacon. Y'all prefer bacon or sausages? I like sausages better. Thanks for the likes, y'all. What is everyone doing? Y'all miss me? I never go live around this time. I said I haven't been on TikTok in a while because the plan was to go live on TikTok while I was in North Carolina, Raleigh, North Carolina. But when I tell you we were in the moment, we were in the moment. I didn't film like I was supposed to or anything. And I was like really tired because I went straight from work. Hey, Prissy. So, Prissy in the comments, y'all. That's who I went to go see in Raleigh, North Carolina. This is what I'm eating. And I don't have my eggs on this plate because I don't like syrup on my eggs. It's childish. I got my orange juice. It's the orange juice I'm drinking. And I mixed both of these syrups together and heated them up. And it's so good. So what y'all doing today for Halloween? Y'all kids trick-or-treating? Did y'all do anything this weekend? It's so good. And this bacon is so crispy. I make my bacon in the oven. Less mess in the oven. You have all that splashing on your stove. Let's clean up. It's crazy because yesterday when I came home, I made breakfast. When I made breakfast today, I've been having things for breakfast food. I'm washing clothes. I'm about to clean up. Everything is so good. And I slept late today. I was tired. Hey, LaShonda. Hey, everyone. Yep, I'll go back tomorrow. So I'm going to catch up on my shows and everything because I didn't catch up on much yesterday. I unpacked to pack again. Trying to figure out what is that noise. So good. I need more syrup on these pancakes. Let me turn this here on. Cheese eggs. So that even though this syrup not heated up, but I need it more. Sounds like something is dripping. That's weird. I figured nobody would be on here because I know it's a Tuesday afternoon. People is at work and it's Halloween. So who knows what people doing today. Hey y'all. This orange juice is so good. Ooh, this bacon crunchy. I'm sorry. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Okay. What y'all eating on? What did y'all eat today? Because this is my first meal. And it is 1:56 p.m. I didn't get up until 11, I think. Got up and started washing clothes. Eat my eggs before they got too cold, because they did get cold. Almost done. I had to throw out almost a whole box of pancake mix because it went bad. It expired. I hate when that happens. We were buying two of too many things too soon. And then it goes bad. It expires. And I do not play with expired stuff. Y'all better start throwing those seasons out that y'all know expired. I'm one of them people that I go through the cabinets, I start throwing everything out if it's expired. Even though when some people be saying that it says sell by, it don't necessarily mean that it's expired. They just can't have it on the shelves by that date. But they can't have it on the shelves. I don't want it in my house. I don't want to be eating it. It's all getting thrown out. I know some people, when they shop, they don't even look to check for expiration dates. I do. I'm making a mess. And one thing I hate is the syrup to be everywhere. That is the worst. Oh, these juices are so good. And it's not as sweet either. But it's good. I got my bacon on top of my pancake. This was delicious. Delicious. So good. Well, that was delicious. Thanks to everyone that joined. Thanks for coming on. Enjoy your Halloween. I'm going to finish washing clothes and clean up and watch my shows. I probably watch some scary movies since it's Halloween. Get finished watching Chucky the series. Y'all gotta watch that if y'all don't watch it. If y'all like Chucky, watch the Chucky series. It's really good. Alright, y'all. Bye. That was good.